Hello, everyone. My name is Jacob McGraw. The title of the presentation I'm giving today is Providing Nuclear Solutions to California's Energy Problems. The name of our company is California Going Nuclear, and it consists of me, the Nuclear Renewable Hybrid Operations Manager, Kang Tran, the Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Manager, and Saket Matrani, the Nuclear Restorations Manager. We are presenting our designs to Victoria Sansom, Unistar Nuclear Energy, and any other company interested in our innovative new designs. The purpose of this presentation is to initiate a series of projects with the goal of making nuclear energy California's primary source of power. We will do this by initiating a nuclear renewable hybrid grid system, innovating our old plants in terms of robotics, and innovating our old plants in terms of their outdated hardware and software. The main point of this presentation is to show that by initiating the designs set forth in this presentation, nuclear energy has the potential to be cleaner, safer, and more cost-effective than any alternative.
Updating hardware. So the average age of a reactor in the United States is about 38 years old. A major issue with this reactor technology is that it's prone to what you call reactor meltdown. Now this is when the reactor stops receiving adequate cooling, and as a result, the reactor actually melts, and it exposes everyone around it to radiation. Now there have been some strides taken in order to rid this issue from reactors, but they haven't been implemented in older reactors, and instead they're only being used on new reactors. So new hardware on these older reactors can address these issues, as well as make things like maintenance easier by having parts that need to be replaced frequently easier to access and easier to change out. It can also make storage safer and easier by having containers that are safe for storage and for the time that the material is radioactive, which is about 40 to 50 years. After the 40 to 50 years, there's only about 0.1% of the material left, and so the container can be reused. Updating software. So engineers currently only focus on the hardware aspect of the research, and they don't look at software in these plants. This leads to outdated software that can't meet safety standards anymore. New software can address these concerns, and with the help of AI, it can adapt to new standards as they come. This means that the software can be used for as long as the plant itself is being used. Additionally, with the help of software, diagnosis of issues will be easier, as you can use sensors to figure out which specific part of the plant isn't working and replace that part. It also makes maintenance easier, as AI can be used to help find issues before they arise and do preventive maintenance instead of just fixing things as they come. This will reduce downtime and make the plant more efficient and more cost effective.
The main reason people are scared when mentioning nuclear power is a nuclear disaster. The nuclear disaster not come from the failure of the equipment, but it come from the human error. To minimize that problem, our company, California Go Nuclear, will provide artificial intelligence system to support nuclear power plant operators when there is an alarm. When the alarm goes off, one system will display the step solution on the main screen of the control room after analyzing all the data. Another system will display relevant information of the step so that the operators can have more options to concern and decide the best step solution to follow. With artificial intelligence system, Unistar Nuclear Energy will significantly reduce the percentage of the nuclear disaster.
The pursuit of renewable energy is important for the environment. However, because of the variance of wind, solar, and hydropower, relying on renewable energy only can only lead to power shortages and blackouts. A nuclear renewable hybrid grid system is the best way to meet California's energy demands. A study initiated by Abdumasi, Gabar, and Adam found that a proposed nuclear renewable hybrid grid system is both more cost-effective and environmentally friendly than a proposed renewable-only option. Additionally, another study proposed by the same experts found that a nuclear renewable hybrid system yielded an additional 16 million kilowatt hours to the grid annually. This, of course, yields excess grid stability and excess profits for our clients. California Going Nuclear will improve on this technology by integrating our power plants with IoT sensors. That's information of technology. Information of technology is defined by business lead Mandeep Kara as the linking of physical devices using the internet. By linking our power plants with these IoT sensors, with these local wind and solar farms, we will be able to get data in real time from these farms and supply power to the grid in accordance. And because of the automated nature of our power plants, we will be able to do this on a level never even theorized before. In conclusion, partnering with California Going Nuclear will yield great profits to anyone who wishes to do so.
So our business model is as such. We want to pursue hybrid energy to reduce the cost of operation for each of these plants. Automating power plants will also raise efficiency and reduce the risk of accidents, improving the public image of nuclear power plants, as well as, again, reducing the cost of operation for each of these plants. Renovation of older plants is going to result in a greener implementation because we won't be using new land to create these plants. Hybrid energy in this model is going to appeal to Californians because they want a green solution for the energy that they're using.
Our company presentation by summary of the key points. With Unistar Nuclear Energy Hubs, California Going Nuclear will innovate nuclear power in California. Our company will use information of things sensor on winds and solar farms to apply power to the grid as needed. Our company will also eliminate human error by artificial intelligence system. Furthermore, California Go Nuclear will innovate the hardware and software of California's existing atomic power plant. In the future, we hope our company can make a big change on people's prejudice about nuclear power. With our revolution, we hope nuclear power will appear as a green, renewable energy and safe to the environment. Thank you for listening. Please ask if you have any question.